Okay, hoppers, we're ready for another day of sailing. Let's go. We're in Hamble.
Good.
We're on our way. Okay, so we're leaving Hamble and we're going towards Cowes. Here we go.
Queen Victoria kam hierher, nachdem ihr Mann Albert gestorben war und hat sich von dem Ostbornhaus, da gehen wir vielleicht.
So the sailing theme you can see throughout the village. This little town of Cowes. We're going to have dinner at the Anchor Inn. I see they have live music today, but now we're gonna go to the supermarket because we're running out of supplies. Important stuff like scones and chocolate and wine and beer, you know.
Seagull, we're coming! Six pumpkins.
Just left the Needles Channel, and behind me there's a very famous landmark. It's a rock formation that is called the Needles, and I'm going to show it to you. So that's the famous rock formation, the Needles. And in the old days, when there wasn't so much navigational technology and to make sailing easier so you don't crash into anything, these rocks were a little dangerous because sometimes sailors wouldn't see them if there was fog and crash into them. Here's a closer look. It actually has a lighthouse on the front one. See? It has a lighthouse there. So we're in Yarmouth now, and you see one of the main streets has a lot of pubs and restaurants. There's this tower here. It's really nice. And we're just taking a leisurely walk around the town. See, the marina is at the end of this street, so we're very close to it. So we're walking along High Street. Very, how'd you say, English? And look what we found here. We're just walking towards the end of the town, and we found this beautiful coastal path. Nice, huh? Little benches. Ooh, look at this. And now look at this. Okay, hoppers, I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And if you don't want to miss them, subscribe to my channel and you'll get a little message saying MuchoHop has a new video. So thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Southern England with me.